5 delicious and healthy tuna salad recipes for weight loss. Hi and welcome back to my channel Healthy Bites. If you're trying to eat healthier and lose weight, we've got you covered with these 5 awesome tuna salad recipes. Tuna is amazing because it's loaded with lean protein and omega-3s, which makes it a perfect fit for anyone looking to drop a few pounds. The best part? These recipes not only taste great, but they're also super nutritious. Number 1. Quinoa Tuna Salad, 340 calories. Quinoa Tuna Salad is a nutrient-packed and satisfying meal that offers a range of health benefits. This salad combines the goodness of quinoa, a protein-rich grain, with the lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids found in tuna. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a balanced and nutritious meal for weight loss or overall well-being. Quinoa is known for its high fiber content, which aids digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Tuna, on the other hand, provides essential nutrients like vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and brain function. This salad is not only delicious, but also a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So, dig into this flavorful and healthful quinoa tuna salad and enjoy the benefits it brings to your body. Number 2. Tuna and Corn Salad, 300 calories. Tuna and corn salad is a delicious and nutritious dish that offers a range of health benefits. This salad combines the lean protein of tuna with the natural sweetness and fiber of corn, creating a satisfying and flavorful meal. Tuna is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health and reduce inflammation in the body. It also provides essential nutrients like vitamin D and inflammation in the body. It also provides essential nutrients like vitamin D and B12. On the other hand, corn is a good source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It supports digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This salad is not only low in calories, but also packed with protein and fiber, making it a great option for weight loss and overall well-being. So indulge in this tuna and corn salad to enjoy its delicious flavors while nourishing your body. Number 3. Chickpea Tuna Salad with Spinach, 320 calories. Chickpea tuna salad with spinach is a nutrient-packed and flavorful dish that offers numerous health benefits. This salad combines the plant-based protein and fiber of chickpeas with omega-3 fatty acids and lean protein of tuna. Along with the vitamins and minerals found in spinach, chickpeas are known for their high fiber content, which promotes digestive health and helps with weight management. They are a good source of plant-based protein and essential nutrients like iron and folate. Spinach is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and antioxidants. This salad is low in calories, yet it's filling and satisfying, making it an ideal choice for weight loss and overall wellness. Enjoy the delightful flavors and nourishing benefits of this chickpea tuna salad with spinach. Number 4. Avocado Tuna Salad Recipe, 310 calories. Avocado tuna salad is a delicious and nutritious dish that offers a range of health benefits. This recipe combines the protein-rich tuna with a creamy and nutrient-dense avocado, making it a satisfying and wholesome option. Avocados are a great source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and folate. This salad is low in calories and carbohydrates, making it suitable for weight loss or maintaining a healthy weight. Enjoy the delicious flavors and nourishing benefits of avocado tuna salad as part of your balanced diet. Last but not the least, Avocado Tuna Salad, 501 calories. Avocado tuna salad is a tasty and nutritious dish that offers numerous reasons to include it in your diet. This recipe combines the protein-rich tuna with a creamy and nourishing avocado, providing a satisfying and balanced meal option. Avocados are a fantastic source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also packed with essential nutrients like fiber, potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and folate. This salad is not only delicious, but also relatively low in calories, making it suitable for weight management and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Enjoy the delightful flavors and health benefits of avocado salad as part of your regular meal. For the process, in a medium bowl, combine the tuna, diced avocado, red onion, cucumber, and cilantro. In a small bowl, whisk together lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper to create the dressing. Pour the dressing over the tuna and avocado mixture, gently tossing to coat evenly. Adjust the seasoning according to your taste preferences. Allow the salad to chill in the refrigerator about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt together. Serve the avocado tuna salad on a bed of lettuce or enjoy it as a filling for sandwiches or wraps. And that concludes our list of 5 delicious and healthy tuna salad recipes for weight loss. Do you happen to know 82 recipes for losing weight that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!